Hey guys, so today I will unbox Darren Runway 24 Cessna 172 for 212 sub special. This the back, and let's get to the best part, which is unboxing. Bro, the box was open, and I would expect that because the package was supposed to arrive yesterday, but it came today at like 3 p.m. and the worker threw it. More on that in my community post, lol. Damn, this foam runway sucks, but I deal with it. What the damn-o? Let's take over the cover. Oh, that's pretty good. I love the polish already and the detail. Gear concerns me, and the livery is nice, and if you know where that livery came from, comment it down below, and hint is fine. Also, don't mind the band-aid on my finger, I got a bad paper cut. There is nice windows and nice detail, and I wonder if the propeller turns. The little landing gear stabilizers are cool, I guess. BTW expect a big haul in Christmas goods. I might get Hawaii Airlines set, Delta A350, Airbus Beluga, and other models. BTW livery from N 225, not the Banana airline. Compared to a Hot Wheels Cessna, or maybe a midget Hot Wheel. I don't like the scale, but overall I give this aircraft a 9/10. Considering it is my first Runway 24 aircraft, and I might get the private jet for Christmas too. Bye guys, and have a great day.